How to build a computer out of old computer parts. Here we have a desktop case, just your standard desktop case. And what I've done is I've put a laptop motherboard on the inside of the case. I hooked up all the fans, the power supply here, and all my leads to the external fans on the case, and fixed a fan on the overheating graphics processor, which was the original problem. I haven't had any problems since. And there it is, and it's been working for several months. It works great. I use it as a home theater system. I hope you like this video.